Hello, I'm Charlie Norris, WAGO's Automation Product Manager. I would like to introduce our industrial MACsec managed switches to help improve network security. You may be asking yourself, is network security important on the plant floor? Well, security experts recommend zoning your plant floor network to limit access to potential cyber attacks. They also recommend encrypting your Ethernet communications between secure control cabinets or between buildings on a campus. This may sound difficult, however, it can be accomplished simply and in a cost-effective manner. WAGO's MACsec managed switches offer a straightforward approach to data encryption. As you can see, these switches have 8 ports. The top 6 ports can be used as an unmanaged switch. These ports connect to local industrial devices such as PLCs, drives, and HMIs. The bottom 2 ports are used for network connection to other MACsec switches located in secure enclosures on the plant floor. The data between the 2 switches is encrypted using IEEE Media Access Control Security, also known as MACsec. So if there were to be a breach of this network, the data would be unreadable. Also, the switch will drop any messages that are not encrypted, so hackers can't inject unwanted traffic. The compact size of these devices are ideal for existing systems. They can easily be added to control enclosures, helping to increase plant floor network security.